call and talk up the king there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because you see the boy have me and the girl have me with the same rock.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have me with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red rock. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad.
Check. Come again.
Raga Shanti live. Raga Shanti.
Mad people time. What are the people? Call your brother man, call your brother woman, call your husband, call your wife, call the one of your generation. Mad people time. Mad people time.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have me with the same.
Round for the right, you know. Hurry up. Yo, if you're tidy, stop tidy right now. If you're tidy, if you're there foreigner, you're tidy. Stop tidy right now. Come in at this.
Raga Shanti live.
Alright, well, I'm stop right now and tell you something. Yes, me in a bathrobe. Well, lounge robe, bathrobe. I'm in a pyjama lounge thing. If you never listen to the last free up on Raga Shanti TV Saturday gone, you're not going to get it. If you never listen free up on Raga Shanti TV last Saturday 8 o'clock, you're not going to get it. Anybody listen free up on Raga Shanti TV last week Saturday, I want to know exactly what I'm going. Love me in my robe. Love me in my robe. Love me. All right, ready up here now.
Raga Shanti live. Raga Shanti live.
All right, people. New York, Jamaica. Let's go.
I need soap and blend that time.
Let's go.
And talk up the king there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because you see the boy have me and the girl have me with the same rock.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl have me with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red rock.
Somebody in there. Hey.
People that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way you are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Raga Shanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Raga Shanti go on and on.
Here we go.
Raga Shanti, don't you know how rich feelings this, right?
Somebody in there, you know. Hey.
Because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Check. Ready for the tambourine now. 1, 2.
I need soap and blend that time.
Raga Shanti live. Raga Shanti live. Raga Shanti live.
I need soap and blend that time.
Raga Shanti live.
I need soap and blend that time.
Raga Shanti live. Raga Shanti.
Come in at
Raga Shanti live.
Check. All right, take it down. Big up on yourself in New York. Big up yourself, Jamaica, Bridge 99 FM, large up on yourself, Bridge Nation. Bridge Nation, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. All of the people in the New York tri-state area, big up on yourself. Dirty Omnicron, when I look for you. Stay about Omnicron. How you take said powerful? Apart from offender, galang about your business, you're the devil's child. How I don't know radio. Omnicron, hey, Omnicron, that name they sound like one of the Autobots, don't you? that name they sound like one of the Autobots. No, we can't make it one of the Autobots. Because the Autobots are the good guys, don't it? So Omnicron after that over with what the brother name will lead? What the other side name again, Prezi? What the other side name? The Autobots are the good side. What the other side them name again? We're talking about Transformers. Decepticons, right? All right then. So Omnicron over with the Decepticon them, right? And who lead the Autobots, Prezi? Who lead? You don't know who lead the Autobots? Who lead the Autobots? Eh? Optimus Prime, I can't believe it. General President, you know everything. President, you know everything, and you don't know that Optimus Prime lead the Autobots. All right, so we are the good guys over here, right? Omnicron, a dirty somebody. We don't know nothing with Omnicron. Omnicron over there so with the dirty people, them, the Decepticons, them, the devil people, them. Omnicron no stable, or nothing. We don't know nothing with Omnicron. All right? We don't know what Omnicron come down here, so and a prims up for. President, you know that phrase, a prims up. You ever hear prims up? You know, no worry, President. That raga do, raga teach Jamaican culture, So, prims up, I'm going to define prims up for you. Prims up are when you push up in things, When you push up in things, you weren't invited, and you push up and buy out the argument and them something there. That means, say, prims up. Jamaican talk, prims up. So if you did that talk or whatever, and somebody come and say, I wish you prims up, I go. She too enough, man. She too extra. You know, she prims up in the argument and them thing there. Long time, something President, we are teaching the thing. People, good afternoon. My name is Raga Shanti. And me and Miss Cherry Raspberry. My mama last picked me and thing. God bless her soul. May she continue to sleep in peace. I want to say a wonderful good night to you. I want to remind you that tonight, we go from 9 until 12 midnight, with Raga Shanti Live. Raga Shanti Live is on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 o'clock. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 o'clock on the Bridge 99 FM. On the Bridge 99 FM in all of the beautiful island, Jamaica. But on Friday nights, that broadcast is simulcast, as it is right now, to the New York tri-state area, right here on the Harry Jam Radio, and of course going to southwestern Connecticut, northeastern New Jersey, all in New York City, and of course, a nice little portion of that area in Westchester County, right above New York City. Once blessings and respect to all Massive and crew, and of course, we're indeed also on the bridge99fm.com. That would be the website, and we're also on the Harry Jam Radio app, where you can listen to the audio, or you can watch a video and see me in my lounge. See me in my bathroom. It's a bathroom me I beat on them tonight, Yeah. And me I tell you, if you never watch Free Up on Raga Shanti TV over YouTube, you're not going to know what going on. If you never watched Free Up last week, Saturday and whatever. So, it's a you have nothing I do it right, Playboy. Hello. That's a go on. I want to big up everybody on the wall right now and think. What was the sweet chick? What's the Sonita Owen? Karen Eli, of course, Carol Hall, listening all the way over there from London, England, and thing, Roma Blair, and thing, Michigan, and how many people over there right now. Let me see how many. What the number there again? Usually can't see the number. Away number. Well, big up everybody. Usually, it's an average of 400 people usually over there at night time. And thing, when the number them thing, and pull up. People. Christmas a come down. Here we are going. President, we have an interview for do like 20 past 9 down. 20 past 9. We have an interview for do. Our time you know. And thing. So you know what? Me have some music me want to play, Me have some music me want to play, so me go play the music them. When 20 past 9 come we do the interview, and then I go back to the music them when me want to play. People, you know, say Jamaican artists them have them, enough of them have them own Christmas song, right? All them take piece of Christmas song and them, you know, change up the lyrics and things. Youth, big youth and all them people from foundation, them, you know, Jamaicans, we say creativity and all them something there. We always have. All right, President, me need 2 calls. I want 2 people tell me like who them, which Jamaican artist them thing sing the best Jamaican Christmas song. President. You know, say me gonna lick down that youth there. President, right? Me just want to take 2 cards. Because me have it say me know who sing the best Jamaican Christmas song. What if I sing Jamaican Christmas song? What if a DJ sing Jamaican Christmas song? Them Jamaican version of Christmas song. You understand? But me have my idea who sing the best. Right? And me did want to take 2 calls to say who know that say sing. All right, let me look on the wall and see what them are going to say. Let me look on the wall and see one. President, I want to take 2 calls, right? So you call me right now. Call me at if you call from the US, if you call from New York or Canada or anywhere in the US, call 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. If you call from Jamaica, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Me just want to hear which Jamaican artist you think sing the best Christmas song. All right, give me the first caller person. Let me see what them are going to say. Hello. Yes, greetings. Which Jamaican artist?
Greetings.
Yes.
Yeah, Colin Davis sing the best one.
Colin Davis sing the best song. All right, Mr. Never Wrong. Thank you. Come I want you call me back later and talk to him. But you say Colin Davis. Next call, let me hear who else them say present. Who else sing the best Jamaican Christmas song? Next call. Hello, who this? Hello.
Jacob Miller.
Well, give me the Killer Miller where you say sound. Give me a little piece side.
Irish Christmas.
Irish Christmas. That one the bad, that one the bad for you, foundation thing. All right. Again, so we get 2. We get Colin Davis. We get Jacob Miller. All right. Let me see me get 2 more thing, I know. Which Jamaican artist sing the best Christmas song? I talk about Jamaican Christmas song, We talk when even if them sing it over or them change the lyrics or whatever, me want to hear who you say sing the best. The best one. Again, if you call from the United States or Canada, New York area, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Online, Sweet Cheeks a Fab 5. Right? Sweet Cheeks a Fab 5. All right? Belinda Markey, agree, say Jacob Miller. Right? Interesting. Give me that call, person. Let me see what the other people them say. Let me see what that person. Hello. Greetings. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Christmas Jamaican style is a group, Fab 5.
Fab 5, yes, sir. Christmas Jamaica. That one the bad down. Fab 5. Christmas Jamaica. All right.
Man.
Make see what next call, person. Make see what I go on. The next caller. The next one. Hello. Yes, greetings. Who you say?
Love in there.
Love
in there.
Wait, say that again.
Love in there.
Say it one more time.
Love in there.
All right, ball it out now
Yes.
like in a revival church and I get in a spirit. Say love in there. Ball it out like in a revival church and I get in a spirit.
Yeah, love in there, man.
All right, don't say another word. People, when you hear what the man say, the man just say love in there. We respect everybody else's judgment and thing right now, but Raga, I go agree with a caller here. I don't miss it from long time. Watch out on the people.
Turn up the music, everybody dance and dip. Who from uptown, who from downtown, jump around and move your jiggy body, jiggy body, the neat body. We see you move it, the neat body, gal.
Watch David Burn.
Turn up the music, everybody dance and dip. Who from uptown, who from downtown, jump around and move your jiggy body, healthy body, all the neat body. Let me see you move it. The neat body, girl. The neat body, girl.
Come.
Who got honey? 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 So the girl them with the honey, I look man with money. Money for honey, not no funny. Come now. Wave your hand, you got money.
Yo!
You are money.
Hey, I'm on here. I'm on it. Money, passive. Love in there.
Money girls, they might be sweet. Money man, I them weakness. A honey you got, a money you love. Money.
People, me just play a little piece of them. Me soon play the whole of them for you.
Money.
Me say me soon play the whole medley for you. But through the interview I come up, me just go on a little piece of them.
Honey.
Me say love in there are the baddest thing where, hey.
Dig up the girl with the whole heap of honey, 'cause you know them girl they hot. Honey girl them sweet. Give me little honey baby. Jiggy body girl them nice and neat. Send on a thing for me. Send on. Any money man, them a feel. Pretty sweetheart, tricky sweetheart.
What's that, man?
Love man use all they want. When they want, girl feel it hot.
This sweetness.
Tricksters, but the girl them no fi condemn.
Give them 6 feet or 9.
It is all one big game. They might play.
Ginale.
The man them a try a thing. It's tricksters time in the city. Strut your stuff.
Hey, strut your stuff.
Hot girl,
Strut your stuff.
What?
Strut your stuff.
Galant, strut your stuff. Yeah man, hot girls. Marvel and pose again.
Hey.
Are you hot in all your clothes? All of the man them know it.
Anywhere we go, it's up my print out.
Sweet like a sugar candy. Hotter than pepper seed.
Hold up your hand and
Wave it up.
'cause you know you're gonna leave.
See you now, profile, turn sideways. Okay, alright, okay, alright. Independent girls gone wild.
Girls gone wild.
Sexy clothes girls gone wild.
Girls gone wild.
Independent girls gone wild.
Girls gone wild.
All independent girls, step up.
From no man now tell you what we will.
And lying at the hill.
Up there.
You buy your own clothes and your own a heel. And high at the hill.
Love it.
Do the bunks, everybody do the dance and bunks. Do the bunks, everybody do the dance and bunks. Cell phone, all of you wanna show your cell phone. Cell phone, dance all myself. Your night tonight. Dance all night. I've heard of. Oh, what a sight. All these girls, you all of them sweet and nice.
Honey and virgin.
All young virgins. Everybody dance and dip. Who from uptown? Who from downtown? Tighty, ghetto people. Everybody sing along.
All we are family. Make we done with all bad man. The envy grudgeful and red eye we born them all up. God, no more
Bad mind again. No more bad mind. Let's have we fun till morning come and.
Lego that. We so play them. Now
Select the Daninya. play big tune number one in ya.
We so play them, no war on the cell. No war on the cell. Me say we so, I want to go on there, so. I want to go on there, so. President, come check out this to me. Come check out this to me. Here we are going. The boss said we have to do an interview. So we are going to play about them. I want to that chair here, man. President, that chair now go down, you know. John. We're going to come back to them song there. Big up all of the artists them who sing them Christmas song. We know the levels. But here we are going. I love in there, me say. Anybody who listen to Ragga Shanty long time, I don't know what going on. See? Okay. This thing here, what going on, sir? Something cheap out, I don't hear it. I don't know if I leak out. It did not play a good a while ago, but did not get it. It now come across. I don't know what I touch. You figure that out. It have nothing to do with this, right?
Live.
Oh, hold on. Okay, we're good now. I see how. It only
Ragga Shanty live.
All right.
Ragga Shanty live. Ragga Shanty live.
All right. Hold on there. All right, watch your right, people. We'll get back to the music. That Ragga Shanty live in your ears and thing.
Ragga Shanty live. Ragga Shanty live. Ragga Shanty live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling people again and a Ragga Shanty live in your ears again. Bridge 99 FM and the Irish Jam Radio. Once enough respect to all of the New York family and thing large up on the set. Big up everybody out there who enjoy the Friday night and thing. Big up all who are planning for the local partying later on and sitting. Big up all who are save up them money for some big event later. Mrs. Spice I go forward and all them something there whatever. Big show a go on and all them thing there. Well, what they are juggling on, I don't know, so I'm in name Ragga Shanty, and me make you laugh. And me take on the mind off on the crosses, them and thing where I bad down and I drown down. And me take on the mind off of the dirty people and where I sprinkle them island powder and thing because them believe in them this and them that and them thing we can't take. You understand? I miss a fun, I miss a laughter. All right, people. Me I go to the phone line, you know. Don't worry when they say me I go to the phone line, you know. But again, me just want to big up all of the Jamaican entertainer them who throughout the years have employed, you know, their creativity, you know, in creating various versions and renditions of Christmas songs. Many of them original, and many of them some sort of remake that have been Jamaicanized or indigenized in a Jamaican way and things like that. And we have so many to enjoy and appreciate and to be thankful for. But you know, Lloyd Loving there has been this man. Listen to me, Lloyd Loving. I know I want to big him up with you know, revival sang them and Wild Gilbert and whatever. But this man's catalog is the envy of many, you know, due to its excellence and its relevance. You know, Lloyd Loving there have this you know, remarkable ability to put out creative works that are very, very relevant and they speak to, you know, matters and of importance to us. And he has this excellent command of humor. Right? And when you talk about hilarity, when you talk about fun and joy and whatever, I love in there, you know, in Jamaica we say we take serious, sit and make laugh and all them something there. Well, Love in there exemplifies that, you know, in so many ways. And his songs, a whole heap of song Love in there about there were no fun in a year because I'm not really get the earplay. People not give him the earplay and all them something there and thing like that. But yes, somebody had text me if him still alive. Yes, Lloyd Loving there is very much alive. Him don't look him age, and I strongly suspect that like Glamour Wayne, Lloyd Loving there find the Obia man, the ever young Obia man and thing, because Lloyd Loving there is another one. Him and Zachary Harding and Glamour Wayne, them people. They have not changed in decades in how many Lloyd Loving there is a next one. Them find that Obia man someplace over there in a St. Thomas and thing, and one next one in a St. Mary and thing with the ever young Obia because Lloyd Loving there, Me don't know, Lyle Love India probably 207 years old and thing, and him still look like him a like 37 or 40 or something like so. Something I go on there, so, but me gonna investigate some more about that and thing. But he's very much alive. And ladies and gentlemen, many of you know these songs and whatever. That's why you hear me make the call and thing, and some people call in and them tell me who them rate the most and thing like that. But I love India Christmas song, them I say. And again, this is a medley. And it's a medley of 7 songs, right? 7 songs in a one. When the thing make a one song I play out, but a 7 different songs in general put tonight. So right now, Mr. Samana text me already, so I never hear this yet. And I noticed that one of them who text me about it, and New York gonna live, and we have 2 other people from Connecticut, and one somebody who, I don't know this person, but she's all the way up in Vermont, and a Jamaican living up in Vermont. Well, you know, Jamaican them there everywhere, you know. Jamaican them there everywhere, right? Anyway, buckle my shine and little excitement to go on and little money can make with there. How we say work, right? How we say work. Remember when In Living Color did the on TV and them I make fun of Jamaicans and I say Jamaicans have 20 work. One Jamaican have 30 job and whatever. How we say work. And anyway, the work that we are finding. So big up all the person up in Vermont who says she never hear that Love in the area and she want to play again. You want to play again? Raga shall play it indeed. So what's right, people? The 7th song from the Love in the Christmas medley. Mad thing. Raga Shanti live in the night, yeah. Ready up again.
All right, it's a family affair.
Wait. Raga put in the first one, man. Put in the first song. So I first song. Let me catch it right. Let me catch it right. All right, here we go.
Turn up the music, everybody dance and dip. Who from uptown, who from downtown, jump around and move your jiggy body, healthy body, all the need body. Let me see you move it. You need body, girl. Not me, no you. You need body, girl. They have to meet and breathe. They need body, girl. And them the girl there we meeting ya. They need body, girl. Sexy little lover. The sweet body, girl. You sweet like sugar. They need body, girl. And them the girl there we meeting ya. I want a girl with the shape way high class. I want a girl who will make me breakfast. Want a girl with the sexy shape. Why she bottom when she walk? Walk and wine. Want a girl who no shame to take bus. Now pressure me if you no Benz or Lexus. Want a girl with the sexy shape. Why she bottom when she walk? We don't good girl they bout. Me have to seek them out and give them a shout. Me a look smarty, not a mad smarty. Want a clean heart girl with good body. Want a neat body, sexy sweet body. Give me the jiggy body, healthy fit body. Lively ever ready, no one no diddy. She have to bright, caring and steady. The neat body girl, but me no hit. The neat body girl, they have to meet and greet. The neat body girl, and them the girl they we meeting ya. They mean ya plenty. The neat body girl, sexy little lover. The sweet body girl, sweet like sugar. The neat body girl, and them the girl they we meeting ya.
Well, I say big up it in now, let me know.
Want a girl with the shape.
Big up all of the woman them with some money have to run.
Want a girl who will
Big up all of the woman them with say Christmas now. Money have to run. I wonder what Love in the office about it. What you do?
Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Who got honey? 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 So the girl them with the honey. I look man with money. Money for honey, not no funny. Come now. Wave your hand, you got money. Show your hand, you want money. A honey you got, a money you lack. Honey, pass it, show your hand. Honey girls, them are the sweetest. Honey man, are them weakness. A honey you got, a money you lack.
Money, pass it. Show your hand.
Money, 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 money. That's what poor people lack. Love things that money can buy. That's why everybody wants some of that. Honey, 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 honey. Sweetness what the girl them got. Dig up the girl with the whole heap of honey. Cause you know them girl they hot. Honey girl them sweet, sweet, sweet. Give me little honey baby. Jiggy body girl them nice and neat. Send on a thing for me. Send on.
Any money man, them a fear dog.
What?
Some girl
Nah, give away nothing free.
money, money lord, them a lay dog.
For real?
Some man you have to have
Your money free.
Me have my own.
Wave your hand,
Hey, you got money.
show your hand.
You got
Money,
Yes, I am.
money you got.
money. You honey, money, pass it, show your
Hold them, hold
hand.
them.
Money girls, them a the sweetest. Money man, a them weakness. A honey you got, a money you lack. Money, money, pass it, show your hand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the girl them there with the whole heap of honey, don't fuck with the thing where you got. Money, oh, hey, hey. Money, money, pass it, girl, hot. My youth, don't get bummy.
Yo, people in Jamaica, you know.
But from you,
Well, right across the world, you have a word when named scamming. We get
the father be a school.
scamming is a word where everybody know. But we have some unique word in Jamaica where we are talking about scammer them from long time. One of them a Ginal and one of them a Samfai. Prezi, you know the word the Samfai? Prezi, you know Samfai?
Some man you
You know Ginal?
See them.
So to all of the scammer them, all of them who say Samfai, all of the Ginal them. The next one in the Loving Day Christmas medley. A phone number 4 in the medley. Who wants to lie?
Yes, I am. It's trickster's time. Watch out for the sweet talking Samfai man. Trickify gal, I look man for con. Out of Samfai man and Trickify gal. I want the bigger Ginal.
pretty sweet talk, tricky sweet talk. Not man use all they want. When they want, girl feel it.
This sweetness.
Tricksters, but the girl them no fi condemn. Give them
6 feet and 9.
It is all one big game. They ma play.
I win him, I win him, I win him. Oh, Ginale.
The man, them a
Try a thing. It's tricksters time
In the city. Oh.
Ginale,
gal them
cunning them.
and I get con.
Who'll be the winner this time?
Here you know.
Baby, you're sweet, you know. Get your body neat, you know.
the sweet
Just give me a neat, you know.
Pretty sweet talk,
Come again.
sweet
The
talk.
tune bad.
Man,
The
you
tune bad.
all they want.
Fight.
When they want, girl feel it. This sweetness.
Bada.
But the girl them no fi condemn. Give them 6 feet and 9. It is all one big game. Them a play.
Them a play. Ginale. I be a Ginale.
Man, them a
Try a thing. It's tricksters time in the city. Tricksters, Gina Lane. The girl them cunning them.
and I get con.
Who'll be the
Hear the sweet note now. Hear the Samfai lyrics now. Hear the Samfai lyrics now.
Baby, you're sweet, you know. Get your body neat, you know. Hottest thing me ever meet, you know. There with you more than neat, you know. Pay like bill and pay your rent. Cause me know that the money well spent. Buy your sexy lingerie, manicure, pedicure, all the way. Buy a lot of sexy clothes so you look good from head to toes. Fancy clothes and shoes to match so you look real hot for your birthday bash. My girl, you're hot. Me cry for the body what you got. Love how your bumper fat. You hear that?
Gina Lane.
Trust me.
Try a thing.
You know, baby.
It's tricksters time
In the city.
Tricksters, Gina Lane.
Lord.
The girl them cunning them. Who'll be the winner this time?
and wine and dine you.
Show
me the money.
My girl, me will care you.
Show me the money.
Me
Jesus God, President, we have to go take a break.
Show me the money.
We really have to go take a break, President.
money. Tricky five.
People, I said a Friday night, you know.
Fireman and
So
tricky.
you don't know the New York thing for the top of the hour, you know. We're not done with the love in the air, them yet. We're not done with the love in the air, them yet. When we take a break, the 3-minute break and forward, a murder.
Next week, you know. Pure nice things, whole heap, you know. Name brand, not cheap, you know. My pocket deep, you know.
Only hear the little sample lyrics, them.
Baby, me remind you.
Okay, people, we got to take a little break. 3 minutes break, and then we'll be right back. And we're going to finish this Loving Dear medley. A Ragga Shanty live in your ears. A Ragga Shanty live in your ears. Mad something.
Who'll be the winner this time?
Me a bet one tricky five, girl.
Check. We're going to resume forward.
Ragga Shanty live. Ragga Shanty live. Ragga Shanty live.
All right, we not juggling again in a people. Ragga Shanty live in our ears and thing. Big up all of Jamaica right now, lock in right through the bridge 99 FM, and big up everybody who lock in New York City and beyond here in North America through Irish Jam Radio. Yeah, big up on yourself if you're up on the road. Big up all of the truckers them on the road in safety and protection. Big up all of the Caribbean people them are working in a nursing home and take care of people and have to clean people excrement. Bossy word for What kind of foreign word? What kind of foreign word? What is a colloquial foreign word for excrement and prezi? And poo. Them say. Yeah, them say poo. Yeah, a poo. They a poo. Them say no. Go clean your poo. Did you poo? Yeah, it's poo. Yeah, that is sanitized enough for radio. You know. All right. So big up all I don't know to deal with them something there. You know. And we don't know so we know the thing right now. And big up all of the people them out there who barefoot. Now, barefoot are our code for certain things. I want to know what that means. I want to gain that, all right? Some of us want to turn up strong in our Gideon, all right? And don't despair. Don't make the pressure and get the better on and all these things. Just go and hold it and cut and go through one day at a time and thing. And just know say people loving out here and rate to know. I want the best to know. And me, Ragga Shanty, they have to entertain, you know, and put look laughter upon the face and thing. When look crosses and stress and thing and people are hop on pound the fender and a draw down on the car back and all these things. Me they have to make you feel better. All right, people, we're up in the Loving Dear medley. We're up in the Loving Dear medley. Lloyd Loving Dear, an iconic artist outside of our beautiful country, Jamaica. A man with a catalog that is the envy of many. A man who to this day has still not gotten his due in terms of how really excellent he is and with respect to the work that he produces and thing. A man whose catalog has served us in so many ways. You know, the cultural relevance is obvious, but also just the humorous, you know, relaxation what we get from the things about whatever. So inside of the Christmas medley, we just rinse off 3 of them. We give you Sweet Body Girl, we give you Honey Money, and we give you Tricky Girl. Now we are going on number 4 right now out of the Christmas medley, 4 out of 7. And we want to big up the people who know how to dress. Jamaicans always, them have both the term for it, it's called aesthetic, right? It's called aesthetic, you know, in terms of how good something look. The cultural definition of how something look good, it may how something look good or how something look bad. But we always say look good. And big up all of the people who from when I dress from way back in on the day now the 3 sister frock. Big up all of the man them who know about when they kick me, kill me. Big up all of the man them who used to big up everybody who used to iron them jeans and put seam in them jeans. You remember them days? Big up all who used to buy yard and third a cloth, yard and half a cloth, a turleen and wool. I'm gonna make on a pants a tailor and thing. Big up on yourself. Big up all dressmaker and tailor from Jamaica and thing who grew up in another something there. We come a foreign and see people, I say them a do custom tailoring them clothes. And we had do that long time. And the poor people, they do it. And the thing flip you now. Back in the day, rich people used to wear ready-made clothes and poor people, they do custom made. Now the thing flip. Rich people, them up here do custom made and poor people ready-made clothes. No, sir, I want to go on. But we give thanks here, sir. Big up everybody who say look good. And big up the woman them. No care how the money not too enough for whatever this and that. To make sure so when holiday come on step out the road, on look good. I want to say neat. I want to say close to iron and neat and look good pound. I want to say close to sit down pound. I hear that loving day you right now in the Christmas medley. I'm mad something, you know.
Now all the girls who know say you're hot, come now, strut your stuff. Strut your stuff. Hot girl, strut your stuff. What? Strut your stuff. Balance, strut your stuff. Yeah man, hot girls.
Marvel and pose again.
All up.
How you hot in all your clothes. All of the man them know it.
Believe me.
Everywhere you go, this up my print out.
Sweet like a sugar candy.
Be real.
Hotter than pepper seed.
Hold up your hand and wait.
Now you know you're gonna lead.
How you know you're gonna leave.
What you know?
You know, profile, turn sideways and show.
Walk on.
Profile, turn sideways and show your profile. Your belly tucking all the while. Your teeth them clean so you can smile when you walk with style. When you dance with style. Wave your hand in the air like you don't care. Cock out your ear and pose.
Now you rock on your dip, step back, lick a dip, put your hand in your hair and pose.
Attitude and style. You have attitude and style. Girl, you neat and you sweet and me love how you beat. Enough attitude and style. Like a fashion model, on the runway. You walk with style, whether night or day. Everywhere you go, all the man them say you a lead all the way.
Marvel and pose again.
Yo.
How you hot in all your clothes. All of the man them know it.
Believe me.
Everywhere you go, it's up my print out.
Sweet like a sugar candy.
Hotter than pepper seed. Hold up your hand and wave it.
How you know you're gonna leave.
Alright, do the walk, my girl.
Do the runway walk.
Do the walk, my girl.
Do the runway walk.
Cover girl, strike a pose like a real cover girl. Cover girl, strike a pose like a real cover girl. Broke out, girl, galang bad. What you call that? Out and bad.
Out and bad.
Again,
Out and bad.
hand in the ear.
Big out everybody who have a dash out with.
And pose.
Now you rock on your dip, step back like a bit, put your hand in the ear and pose.
Again, hand in the
Big up everybody who are going to go on with some sweet dash out in the Christmas, yeah.
Take a bit, put your hand for your
Big up everybody who are going to go on with some proper holiday sort out. Big up the Jamaican them who decide, say, New Year if you catch them and do it. Yes, me know say no found to believe. Anything New Year catch and I do it for the whole year. Next track, Girls Gone Wild.
Alright.
Good.
Okay. Alright.
independent girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
Sexy clothes girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
Independent girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
All independent girls, step up.
From no man can tell you what we wear. I'm trying to hear up there, up there, up there.
You buy your own clothes and you wanna hear.
Yo!
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Raga Shanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Tell them a picnic. Listen to me. Listen to me, all of the man them, some of the man who under pressure and now under pressure out there. Because the woman them get independent. And them not good and them not take no look careless talk from you. So big up all of the woman them who not take no talk from the man right now. When you put on your clothes and you go, what's if you buy it? What's if you buy it? Boy Brighty, you work hard and buy your own clothes. And you put on your clothes and you go a road. And them come and tell you what you for wear. And I tell you say you can't leave the house. It now work. 2022 I come. It now run tune again.
Alright. Okay. Alright.
Independent girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
Sexy clothes girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
Independent girls gone wild.
Girls Gone Wild.
All independent girls, step up.
From no man can tell you what we wear.
And I not here.
Up there.
You buy your own clothes and you wanna hear. And I not here.
Independent girls gone wild this year. You can go anywhere, man or no man, you don't care. You
your clothes on you. Big up all the woman them who make clothes look good. Lana, big up yourself over Club Dubai. Cause when you put on your clothes, you done good. Lana, big up yourself. Seafood, Lana. We're gonna say you look good. Who are you?
Blouse and skirt, pants and shirt. You wear what you wear cause you hot from birth. Style and fashion, you are number one. You look good in any clothes you have on. All them a chat, girl, make them chat.
Not changing no clothes.
Anything you wear, are you buy that?
Not changing no clothes.
Walk out and show them what you got.
Not changing no clothes.
Tell them again, my girl, you're hot.
Not changing no clothes. No man can.
Yo, big up dancehall. Big up dancehall. Big up dancehall.
Alright, do the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody do the dance bounce. Do the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody do the dance bounce. Cell phone. All of you wanna show your cell phone. Cell phone. Dance all myself. Your night tonight.
Dance all night.
I've heard of.
Oh, what a sight. All these girls,
all of them
sweet and nice, but one young virgin's heart we find. Cause the girl them start wine long time.
Them start early.
It no easy fi keep virginity. It no easy.
People here, you know. You're loving there now.
Big up to all that girl in ya. Only for them like Sandy.
God.
But if it and strong.
Make love in there bad so. I make him bad so. What a man terrible. What a man terrible. Listen to me, the man. Come again.
Do the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody do the dance bounce. Do the bounce, do the bounce. Everybody do the dance bounce. Cell phone. All of you wanna show your cell phone. Cell phone. Dance all myself. Your night tonight.
Dance all night. Oh, what a sight. All these girls, them sweet and nice, but one young virgin's heart we find. Cause the girl them start wine long time.
Them start early.
It no easy fi keep
Your virginity.
it no
What you know? What you know?
Big up to all that girl. Only for them like Sandy. Everybody fit and strong. Jump and a jump and a jump. Hot girl a take for your man. You kind of meet and yam. Watch your tongue with yam. In a high class school this stamina. Big up selected the dan in ya. Play big tune number one in ya. You make the dance get rum in ya. With local and with foreign ya. Bad mind, them get plan in ya. No way, none of them can stand in ya. Good girl we want in ya. Lord of mercy without a doubt. Good girl they bout. Me have to seek them out and give them a shout. Me a look smarty, not a mad smarty. Want a queen and girl with neat body. Yeah, hear me? Dance all night.
Dance all night. Oh, what a sight.
All these girls.
All these girls.
People, what do you mean walk? What do you mean walk up a Bronx? What do you mean walk up a Bronx?
Cell phone.
I mean notice one man I walk behind me and thing and whatever. So you don't know, so get how we come from a Jamaica, so we don't take certain check.
Tonight.
So me I say walk one other man and walk back at me so and thing and whatever. So me go say boom and cross the road, you know, and the man cross the road too, you know.
All these girls.
And to a gun in the road, me there pan, you know, me say, you know what? Me go bend the corner and go up a furniture deal shop and kind of wings out there, so you know. The guy look like that boy, you pre me. So me start walk up and the man start walk up fast too, you know. So me see the man I run up behind me, and I just turn and I say, yo, Mr. Man, away I walk. Hey, away I walk back at me fan. And the man said, listen to me, Raga Shanti. Me come here to tell you something. And it's for your benefit. So me say, why you could have know about for my benefit? Him say, people out there want to do you something. Me say, for real? Him say, yes, people out there want to hurt you. Me say, serious? How you know that? Him say me is a Wobia man. Me say you a Wobia man. Him say yes, me is a Wobia man. So why you Wobia tell us the people come here? Him say no, it's somebody go to him for pay him for hurt me. People in the hear what me say the man say. The man say people go to him, the Wobia man, for him Wobia me for hurt me. And to him know say me a God bless pick me and all him something there. Him just come talk to me and say, Ragga, who watch you back because people out there for hurt you. And that's what me say to him, say, so tell me something. You not gonna tell me who. Him say, you know, so me not really want to tell you, but that's why you look out for you. Me say, me need if you tell me who. Him, Mr. Tell me who. Say, Ragga, me, tell me who. Mr. Ragga, me say, tell me who got to you and pay you for Wobia me. Him say, all right, me I go tell you. And the man tell me who. And me I dedicate the last part of the song pan a Love in the medley to the man there who go to the Wobia man for Wobia me, for do me something wicked. Because the man tell me who. And me I go tell you now who because the whole of you know who. The whole of you know who. And me I dedicate that song to the person there. And this is the name of the person who got to the Wobia man for Wobia me. His name is Jabba. George!
Alright, it's a family affair. Everybody dance and jig. Who from uptown, who from downtown, highty-tighty, ghetto people.
Where we at tell Jabba say?
Sing it.
All we are family, make we done with our bad man. The envy, grudgeful and red eye, we born them a long time. No more bad mind again. No more. Yo, people, no pay me no mind with my madness, yeah. And please, when you don't go believe what I just said about Jabba, me's an entertainer, alright? Don't pay me no mind with my madness. Love in here again.
Everybody dance and jig. Who from uptown, who from downtown, highty-tighty, ghetto people. Everybody sing it.
All we are family, make we done with our bad man. The envy, grudgeful and red eye, we born them a long time. No more bad mind again. No more bad mind. Let's fight with fun till morning come and done the whole bad mind.
Yes, I am. You see the red eye thing?
Done with it.
You see the grudgeful thing?
Done with it.
You see the envy thing?
Done with it.
All the bad mind business?
Done with it.
You have clean heart?
Come with it.
You have an open mind?
Come with it.
You have good ideas?
Come with it.
Take the one left thing and run with it. No matter where you come from,
All we are one.
so make we sing one song.
Strong.
All we are family.
Jesus!
Yeah.
Everybody dance and jig. Who from uptown, who from downtown, highty-tighty, ghetto people. Everybody sing it.
All we are family, make we done with our bad man. The envy, grudgeful and red eye, we born them a long time. No more bad mind again. No more bad mind. Let's fight with fun till morning come and done the whole bad mind.
Yes, see the red eye thing?
Done with it.
See the grudgeful thing?
Done with it.
See the envy thing?
Done with it.
All the bad mind business?
Done with it.
You have clean heart?
Come with it.
You have an open mind?
Come with it.
You have good ideas?
Come with it.
Take the one left thing and run with it. Me no matter where you come from,
All we are one.
so make we sing one song.
Strong.
All we are family, make we done with our bad mind. The envy, grudgeful and red eye, we born them a long time. No more bad mind.
No more.
Let's fight with fun.
one just kind of, the last one seal up everything. The last one seal up everything. Of course, it's worthy of being played again. No one's a big respect to everybody out there in the holiday season. Whatever little thing you have up with somebody right now, if you can't let it go, let it go. Whatever vindictiveness or revenge feelings you carry for anybody right now, if you can't let it go right now. Free yourself right now. If it's somebody else to do well, celebrate them. If it's your next restaurant to do well, celebrate them. If it's somebody else to dress good, celebrate them. If somebody get a promotion, celebrate them. If you find yourself seeing somebody doing well, and the first thing that comes to your mind in response to you recognizing that they're doing well is something negative, is something toxic, check yourself. Check yourself. Check yourself. Check yourself. Check yourself. Let it go for 2021. Wanna see how much people dead out there? Look how much people gone. And many are right now if you're listening. That means you have that precious thing, that valuable thing called life. You have life right now. Live a good life. Live a good life. Nobody have no negativity for nobody else. Nobody wish nobody bad. If them do you bad, ignore them and move on. Free up yourself. Free up yourself. Positive yourself. Love in the air. Run it again. Whoa.
Alright, it's a family affair. Everybody dance and dip. Who from uptown? Who from downtown? Highty, ghetto people. Everybody sing it.
We are family, make we done with all bad man. The envy grows full and when I we burn them out. No more. Let's have fun till morning.
See the red eye thing?
Done with it.
See the grudgeful thing?
Done with it.
See the envy thing?
Done with it.
All the bad mind business?
Done with it.
You have clean heart?
Come with it.
You have an open mind?
Come with it.
You have good ideas?
Come with it.
Take the one love thing and run with it. Me no matter where you come from, all the way I want. So make we sing one song, strong.
All we are family, make we done with all bad man. The envy grows full and red eye we burn them out. No more. Let's have we fun till morning. On the whole man. No more bad mind again. No more. Let's have we fun till morning come and on the whole man.
Oh no! Who from uptown?
Light love in the air that. Light love in the air that. So I know I say no found have on a favorite Jamaican Christmas artist and all the Christmas song artists and all these things and things. Well, my favorite Jamaican Christmas artist is Light Love in the air. And I mean say vibes. You understand? I mean say enjoy life. You don't know that about me long time. You understand? And them man you continually provide a product that you can just lose yourself into with wild abandon and enjoy to the max and thing. Someone just wants a big respect to Lloyd Loving there and all the Jamaican artists there who over decades, shall we say centuries actually, and thing who have provided an incredible amount of entertainment for us, for times for us to decompress, a time for us to be educated, time for us to be informed and entertained musically. So big up on yourself. Lloyd Loving there, big up yourself. Raga Shanti said that for Ivor and for Ivor, them for know the thing set. Yeah, you're in tune to Raga Shanti live on the big bad Irish Jam Radio. Yeah, it's a Friday night, but you don't know, so it's all about the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights, 9 o'clock. This I'm doing my thing. Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights, 9 o'clock on the Bridge 99 FM. And on Friday nights, I want to remind you that it's a simulcast right here on Irish Jam Radio with yours truly, me, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, but Muma last picnic. Yeah. Raga Shanti, you see it. Big up all of the Caribbean people them out there, you know. And big up all of the people them who you may not be from the Caribbean, you may not be from Jamaica, but you hold some sort of affinity with the country, whether literally, as in a partner, a friend, a colleague, etc., or psychologically. Perhaps you just love the Jamaican culture, you love the Jamaican people. And so I want to say big respect to all of you also, all right? We're in the thing right now, all right. We're about to take some phone call, but before we take a phone call, I want to play a song where this young lady, you know, she do her thing from what day. And, well, I make her put it in her song. And, you know, Prezi, we have to take a break right now. We have to take a break. Jesus, God, and thing and whatever, you know. Listen to me, man. Hey, me glad when me do certain things and President know about you, because he could have to tell me, say, me have to take a break. Okay, people, the boss, we have to take a break. The boss, people, a lot of people don't know this, you know. It's not presenters that run shows in media. It's never presenters who run shows in media. Presenters present, they broadcast. It's always the producers who run the show. So, Prezi, you're the boss. So, never do what the boss say. That's what the thing said. People are going to take a little break, and then we'll be right back and continue our fun. Why?
Raga Shanti Live. Raga Shanti Live. Raga Shanti Live.
Back in the juggling inside an energetic Friday night right here in Irie Jam Radio, New York City. And of course, the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. With yours truly, me, my mama last bit, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Raga Shanti. Once a greetings and blessings. All massive and crew here and far and thing. And we don't know, so the wonders of technology allow people to be listening all over. And right now we have people. Carol, you know, easy, you know. Carol, you know, easy, you know. People, Carol is in London, and Carol no miss no show with Raga Shanti, you know. And she will listen right up. And when me I do Raga Shanti, when me I do it named up on Raga Shanti TV, you know. Prezi, you know, when me I do free up on Raga Shanti TV, sometimes that go to all 1 o'clock in the morning, you know. Prezi, you know, say London 5 hours ahead, done. So 1 o'clock in the morning, when the show done, start 8 o'clock and done 1 o'clock in the morning. That means if for Carol, you know, that at 1 o'clock and done 6 o'clock in the morning, you know. And then Carol be and gonna work, you know. Because she have to listen to the show. She have to listen to the show. That's how I think it. People who don't know, say everything where you call about mix-up entertainment for me, it over on Raga Shanti TV on YouTube. So I want to go over there right now and just subscribe. Subscribe to my Mix-Up Entertainment channel on YouTube. I don't know, say it's filled with a plethora of Raga Shanti live shows from yesteryear in Jamaica. We're talking shows like more than a decade ago, right? Iconic mix-ups and all these things and whatever. They're all there. And I'm continually putting up more every day. People have been doing this for decades, so hence I have a tremendous amount of content that have to be edited before they can be posted on my YouTube channel, Raga Shanti TV and thing. So for months to come, for years to come, I'll be putting up content, you know, from the past. And of course, I'll be making content in the present and putting them up on thing. And of course, I'll be having my shows over there. Every Saturday night, it's all about Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. 8 o'clock on Raga Shanti TV over YouTube. So make sure son go subscribe. And also have another YouTube channel called Culture Raga. Now that one is more educational. That is about, so Raga Shanti TV is mix-up entertainment and Culture Raga is educational. It's educational entertainment, right? So mix-up Raga is more on the serious intellectual side, but still with the signature Raga Shanti label, you know, in terms of the content and the delivery of said content. So I invite you to subscribe to both those YouTube channels. Raga Shanti TV over YouTube for mix-up entertainment, the Ray is something, the woo is something, you understand? And of course, Culture Raga for the more, shall we say, intellectual side of yours truly. That would be me. Okay, all right. Listen, I was just mentioning to you that, I say big up to the dancehall youth, them who do them thing, and we see changes, right? And every time we see changes in genres and in cultural spaces, the people before usually, some of them, the reaction vary from total disdain to one of complete understanding of the relativity of the moment, meaning that, people evolve and changes occur and people adapt to changes in their sociocultural system, and that those changes do indeed are reflected in the lyrical content that they manifest and deliver, in their respective forms of entertainment, right? So, when the people them used to dance them skia and I swing them on in and miggle, and then they hear Rocksteady come out, they never like Rocksteady and thing, because as skia them did like and all them something and whatever. But then Rocksteady rise and claimed its own space and thing like that. Then after Rocksteady and it go over to reggae music and thing and whatever, the Rocksteady people them did a complaint to and rate. But to say that reggae rose and claimed its own space, that would be an understatement and thing, given the popularity and the revolutionary, manifestation of reggae music across the world for a long time now. And then from reggae music and thing, we branch off into a little dancehall and thing, and then you have the same complaints and them thing and whatever. Interestingly, many other complaints and thing, people use it. Say when people say, oh, dancehall, this and that, it's slack, and this and that, people, say, them used to say the same thing about ska. Them used to say the same thing about ska, because ska is kind of like the swinging of the hips and whatever. Of course, derived from the folk forms of our African ancestors, specifically the Akan peoples of West Africa, comprising primarily what was the Gold Coast, which is now primarily known as Ghana, including the Fanti people, the Ashanti people, etc. And of course, all the way down into the northeast region of Central Africa, the Congo region, where most of our descendants who, were as slaves were taken to St. Thomas. Most of them, they came from that area, and that is why the African retention in St. Thomas is so strong, i.e. Kumina, etc., and things like that, okay? But the dancing, all Jamaican dancing, can be traced, in terms of the movement vocabulary, it can be traced back to our ancestors. And unfortunately, sometimes we preoccupy ourselves with the trivialities of, the residue of our colonial heritage, and we kind of end up fight each other and criticize different genres and all these things, when it is absolutely unwarranted and unnecessary to do so on many occasions and things. So dancehall came about and thing and whatever. Now dancehall has gone through some permutations and thing, some not so pleasant and thing. In fact, there's a credible argument to be made that dancehall is somewhat under siege in some different ways. I will not elaborate on that now and think, because this is not the space for that. But when we see some artists emerge and they're doing well in their own thing, me's a 90s man. Me's a 90s dancehall man. That not change. A 90s dancehall my thing there, right? Me's a 90s dancehall man, right? But big up the youth, them who do them thing and a shine and a rise right now. And I've been noticing this young lady here and thing like that. And I've been noticing, the way how the modern music market set up right now with streaming and views and all them something. It's no longer about selling records. When we did a little bit of a run, gone over Randy's shop, and we go and buy a record them out of Randy's shop. I will go around the corner upon the road right beside Salvation Army, run a Gregory Isaac shop, go buy a record and all them. 45, we are buy a record, we say 45 are LP. And think, them days are gone right, Them days are gone right, A different thing. The youth, them a do them thing. And I listen to this song I'm about to play. And based on what holds right now in the music industry, this song to me, I was watching her for a while and said, no, let me see. Because people come and sing a one tune and thing, and I want to hear about them again and thing. Man, I drink back juice pan base. Man, I drink back juice pan base. Strictly peanut punch and make me wind up my waist. I want to hear nothing more from Fabi Dali again. So sometimes when people come out with some hits and all them little thing, that we have to kind of watch them first, and about a running and thing like that. But this lady here, she has been developing quite nicely. I'm impressed with what she's doing. She's in the pop market. She's in the dancehall pop market, right? So if you're not into dancehall, it's not your thing, right? But this song here to me is an indication of our potential, in terms of truly establishing a global presence in the music field. When I listen to this song, now if you don't understand pop culture, you're not going to pick up what I say. But this song, it manages to retain elements of a unique Jamaican identity. It's there. At the same time, it has elements of international pop culture, right? And there is some, electronic instrumentation in it in terms of, I think the producer is Russian, the one who make a rhythm and thing. He's quite talented also. That has that crossover appeal in a way that it can be lasting, right? Now, I'm not saying this is the greatest song in the world. No, I'm not. I'm just saying when I listen to this song, it clearly demonstrates a potential on the part of this young lady to really, really rise, right? There's several artists I notice, right now in the Jamaican dancehall scene doing quite well. Some of them more appealing than others. And then you have a few that you just say that with the right management, with a disciplined approach, with the necessary patience, and the right amount of application, work hard something and stay with it and thing like that. You're like, yo, this person has the potential to be launched into the stratosphere of success. And I feel it from the song here. Her name is Shenseea.
I give you peace of mind. My heart is always on your side. Our connection is rare to find. That's why I'm not gonna let you go. I feel like I'm so blessed to be yours. I'm yours. Right there when you need it. I mean it. There's a fire burning bright. Even in the Jesus! I give you peace of mind. My heart is always on your side. Our connection is rare to find. That's why I'm not gonna let you go. I feel like I'm so blessed to be yours. I'm yours. Right there when you need it. I mean it. There's a fire burning bright. Even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love.
Get them now, Shenseea, get them!
He love you like how short he love Addy. You put a spell on me, I must see hurry. And anyway you let me, I go come parry. Baby, your good love lock me down like study. Sweet like honey, and me home, and me high. But no other man to me, and you want me bonafide. Me feelings them high, and it no hide. And a Bonnie and Clyde, it's a Chucky and the bride. There's a fire burning bright. Even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love.
All right, so here we are going now. Here we are going. Here we go on now, consistent with the theme of this song. I'm about to open the phone line. I want you to call in and just tell me who you love and why you love the person, right? I want you to call in and tell me who you love in the Christmas, if you're in love. I want to know joke out the thing. Just call in and talk up who you love. I'm afraid to talk who you love, right? And we have a little variation to when I ask you to do, but we're not get to that yet. Right? So call in right now and tell me who you love. Right? What the number? What the number? If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States of America, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Call in and tell me who you're in love with and why you're in love with that person. Call in. Tell me who you're in love with and why you're in love with that person. Send on.
You peace of mind. My heart is always on your side.
Good night, caller. Good night, caller. What's up?
Good night, Ragga Shanti.
Yeah, wagwan.
Me there in the house Saturday, long time veteran in our building, you know.
Cool, man. Cool, man. Who are you in love with and why?
Ragga Shanti, me love why? Because I met me dash out couple years back wicked.
Who you love? Who? DJ Rai?
DJ Ragga Shanti.
Who, me?
So I must you.
Listen to me now, man.
Listen to me now, man. You make me dash out wicked couple years back and go pity you don't know the name right about now, but me love you, me love you, me love you. Country girl in the building.
A liar, 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 liar. Yo! Country girl, wagwan.
Baby, me there, baby, me awesome. Me drink too much dirty rum, me awesome. What the baby there, country there.
No, yo, people. If you haven't been a Ragga Shanti listener for years, you will know wagwan. But all of the original Tom farmers, them know this a Persia. Country girl, they still living a donkey lane up there in a Trelawney.
Baby, me there, me live here. Me there, right now, me don't want my bar. Country girl, Billa Vibes bar, Zinc Top bar. Me there, me lock in with the crew.
Well on. You have a bar now, and it named Country Girl Zinc Top Bar.
Zinc Top bar.
People, you're listening to one of my ardent supporters.
My bar name Country Girl Zinc Top bar. And tomorrow, the 18,
yeah,
we starting a corner league tomorrow for the youth them.
Yeah.
Going straight to January 22.
Yeah.
The last two teams standing get 50 grand the winner.
All right.
Place get 20. So that's the
well on. People on the year, me make you talk and whatever. Me don't want nobody else to think so they can call in and advertise nothing. All right. Me I give she a run because a long time something of these people. Nobody even try understand what I go on here. So I know some original Tom farmers can know what I go on. Tasting and all them people and think know about Country Girl and think. Country what? Country, you know, say we all put up some of the repeat them and thing and whatever, and then you feature in them, of course, you call them and thing. Well, I said blessings and respect, man, but I'm just happy to hear your voice. Happy to hear your voice, you know.
I understand that Mr. One Rasta man called me the morning and say, Country, you know some of up on Ragga Shanti last night and in the chat boy you, and the man give me number in the but honestly. Well, Country, what you mean the man say him go up on Ragga Shanti last night? Dress up your talk, man. Dress up your talk. Hey!
Dress up.
Give me your number,
I'm just making fun. I'm making fun. So when him say, him hear me talk about you, we not stop talk about you.
Yeah, and him they tell you about me, say him they top side me and whatever, but the ups and down, man, look, we not get to call. So me in at the bar now with me crew.
Yeah.
And me they say, you know, say, tonight I got the bar radio, so me they try calling. But me go up on Facebook and me start take you live and me say, yeah. Are you and me love? So I'm off the call in and make them know, say, Country day and you and me love.
Blessings, man. Blessings and respect. And it is indeed a profound pleasure to be hearing your voice, man.
I'm overwhelmed right now.
Enough love and things.
And I can't remember everybody in a long time, but believe me, if she is alive, I want to say to Seckle back on me, big up yourself and never stop calling me him.
Yeah, man, no.
And never.
Sekeba Kami is very much alive and she's still up there in Brownstown in St. Anne. I think quite near to you.
Never stop calling her name. I don't remember everybody, but that lady, man, I'm in love with her. And
Blessings.
I think they said Vibe Master or something, but I can't remember everybody, but.
Well, Marie is still around.
Man.
Marie is still around. Head girl Marie is still around. She's there in Arnett Garden, down there and thing in a jungle. See, man. Enough time for them still the boat, man. Enough of them people from them time that them still the boat and thing going strong, you know. And fan the fire call what you too. Fan the fire call what you too and give you a yell and sit and see. You remember fan the fire, right?
Not quite, because it was so long for everybody.
Okay, fan the fire from Mobile, yeah. Should have enough of them,
But
man.
I'm glad to know that everybody all right so far and we are still kicking on here.
Blessings, man. Boy, I feel good in the night. You give me a nice little blessing just to hear your voice, man. And thing.
Right now, you're right. Go person, I'm going to drink something to calm me back down.
All right,
Trust
country
me.
girl. Big up yourself and thing down there in a Donkey Lane. In Donkey Lane, the Falmouth, right? No, it's not the Falmouth, it's there.
Wakefield, so we reach a Wakefield.
Wakefield, yeah.
In Trelawney coming down, like you're going back. My road can take you back to Jomeli to this side, come back to Wakefield same way.
Okay. And them still call it Donkey Lane. Which part you there, right?
Same way, man. No, I don't know Donkey Lane come through here, but I still Donkey Lane and I original, we not change it.
Yo, you know which mix up make my boss pan them what they and think or something they coming about it. You remember the mix up with the man I sat out the woman and never know say she have on a false leg and him a massage her leg and her foot come off and him frightened and run out of the house with her foot in her hand and thing and run go down the road and we him frightened and she said the foot still in her hand and fling it up the ground and run and left his foot. You remember that mix up there?
I'm clear up on the little girl because, and she never want him to know because that's why she click on the little fan light.
That she never wanted to know, that's why she do. That's why she do what?
She click on the little fan light, she never turn on the big light. So if you turn on the big light, you would know. So when he did the start out, he hear when he sitting go, William! And when he said, William, he said, what? He said, no, and nobody under the bed, and my foot jump off. He said,
Yo, that was one for the ages. That was one for the ages. That thing. But country girl, big up yourself, man. Enough blessings and thing for hear your voice and thing. And big up your bar. What you say? Country girl, where the bar name in a Donkey Lane? Country girl.
Zing Top Bar.
Country girl, Zing Top Bar. Bottom road it there and thing and whatever and sitting. All right. Bless up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Enough love and blessings, man. All right.
We don't take you in, and I promise I will continue hearing you and everybody who is tuning in to my man tonight. Love you, no. Love you, no. I'm gonna get my man come back wicked.
Brap. Them for no, dog. Long time tambourine. Still there. All right, country girl. Bless up our thing, see? Yo, a blast from the past and one that is indeed, profoundly welcome. Country girl, big up yourself, man. Tam from all of Fama. So the thing said. Again, people, I want you to call in and tell me who you love. Tell me who you love and why you love that person, all right? Call in and tell me who you love. The number is, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546 8742 888-546 8742 888-546 8742 888-546 8742. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, just give me a call and tell me who you love. Right? Tell me who you love and why you love that person. Whether your husband, your wife, whether if it's somebody. We're going to keep it real. Because we know say people in love with people who are not your people. We don't say people in love with people who are not your people. So even if I saw the thing said, we just want you to call in and just tell me who you love and why you love the person. Give me the call, person. Give me the call. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Greetings.
I just want to come on the radio to say who I love.
All right.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes, I love my mommy, my good old mother who produced 7 children into this world.
How many?
Guys cook food.
How many?
My mother has 7 of us.
7, nice. And why you love your mother?
Yes, and her name is Sonia Thompson. Because my mother is so supportive. She teaches me how to cook the nice Jamaican culture food.
Nice.
She teaches me how to carry myself as a nice lady. So yes, I had to come on here. And my mother always listen to your station. So I know mommy's listening right now.
Okay, and what's her name again? Hold on. Okay, and what's her name again? Sonia what?
Sonia Thompson.
Sonia Thompson. Sonia Thompson, big up yourself. Your daughter, one of your 7 children, says she loves you. All right. Big up yourself, all right? Okay, caller, good. Next call, President. Next call. Hello, good night, caller. Good night. Who you love and why?
I want to tell you, I love my husband so much, and why I love my husband because he's a very nice person.
Okay, give me an example. Give me an example of how nice that something nice that he did.
He's a very gentle person. He take care of my kids. He take care of me.
Yes. All right. And what is the name of your husband?
Hasadi.
Huh?
Hasadi.
Could you say that again, please?
His name is Casa.
Okay, well, I mean, I really pick it up good and thing and whatever. But big up yourself, Maya. Big up your husband who is there for you. And we love that, because we hear so much bad things about men all the time. But when somebody call in and big up the man and say, responsible husband, responsible father, that is indeed welcome. Big up yourself here. All right?
Big up.
Okay, cool.
My heart is always on your side.
Big bad tune from Shensia.
Our connection is rare to
Jack Call, you're the one I love.
That's why I'm not gonna let you go. I feel that I'm so blessed to be yours.
I love this song. That have a look of vibes, you know? That have a buzz, you know? That have a bouncy thing about it, you see? I like it.
There's a fire burning bright.
Hey.
Even in the darkest night.
Hey.
You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. And nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love.
Okay, give me the call, President. Give me the call. Who do you love and why? Good night, caller. What's up? Hello? President, I hear the caller. What go on? Listen, people, nobody call and attack, you know. We're not in foolishness tonight. When I want to call and we are look on the board and see someone call they down the line up now and not talk. When I in the high class and high school something.
There's a fire burning bright.
I know them woman they who
Darkest night. You are the one I love.
you don't know them woman they who call and thing and then hang up and then you say, where you call the man for hang up and you say, I just wanted to hear his voice. No. We don't want that something then. Call in and tell me who you love and why. Call in and tell me who you love and why. The number is 888, toll free 546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. That's if you're calling from the United States or Canada. 888-546-8742. And if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876 676 4996. Again, if you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876 676 4996. 876 676 4996. Give us a call and tell us who you love and why. Give us a call and tell us who you love and why.
There's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. And nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You are the one I love.
All right, bring in that caller. Hello.
Hi, Rocker. How are you?
Yeah, boy, every day I give thanks, you know, I go on with you, yeah.
They are good. You know, I just called to say I love my husband.
No. Aww. And why do you love your husband?
Because we have so much stuff in common, and he's a wonderful husband. To me, he has done so much great things in my life. I appreciate him so much. He's right beside me right here.
All right. Tell me something where you remember. One thing where you do remember. You just not forget. Something good where him do one time and you remember. You not forget it. Tell me.
For that, oh my God. I remember the other day, my cousin-in-law, she sent a recording when I called you and was talking to you about my husband and before we actually get married. So when the conversation we had was like, you were like, I should big up my baby and stuff, and I was telling you that I was in Jamaica in South Barrow and he was living over here. But we got married and I live over here, 3 years, maybe? About 3 years, yeah.
Oh, South Barrow, no?
Yes.
Over Portmore there, I think.
Yeah, you know, the man love you. I say, yes, brother, I'm love me. I know I'm love me.
See, there, are you there?
You know, see, I hear a man, yes.
And you're there, and him there right beside you, and I'm married and thing, and I go several years, right? Congratulations to you both and thing, and I want you to grow from strength to strength, overcome the inevitable challenges that life offers everyone, and thing, and savor and appreciate all the good things that occur between both of you, and take care of one another, all right?
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, man, enough blessings. People, I want to apologize. Yeah, man, I want to apologize to the people listening over here in New York because we actually, I broadcasted right through the break just now, the 3-minute top of the hour break right now and thing. But again, I want you to call in right now and, tell us who you love and why you love that person. Who you love and why you love that person. Calling and tell us right now. And if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Call in and tell me who you love and why. And we are going bunks a big bad Shensia what I like. To have a nice bunks. This is going to be a club banger. Good night, caller. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
What's up, brother?
Why am I there? I give thanks to my auntie, my bless her auntie. That me I tell you, don't. Huh?
Yeah. Thanks be to God.
Enough blessings, man. Seeing who you love and why.
May I big up my sister right on that one, yeah.
Nice.
She's not too cute. I love her straight.
Why?
She's been there for me from day one up until now.
Okay, is this who I think I'm talking to?
Yes, Tina too cute little sister.
Tina too cute little sister and thing. I say Tina's been there from you from day one and your day one charge you that, don't?
Day one.
From the gate and thing have your back, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And big up my nice, clean daughter, Araya. I love her straight.
Mad, and big up your daughter, Araya. I love. And why you love your daughter? Tell me something nice about your daughter where you love.
My daughter?
Yeah?
Just the words that come out her mouth every day.
Nice.
Mommy, I love you, and Mommy, you're the best.
Oh.
So grateful.
Bless up, man. Bless up. You see that song I play by Shensia, You Are the One I Love? My last one, my daughter, she like it, man. She like that song.
Man.
Yeah. And yeah, I mean, I feel listening good for make sure there's something where, you can't, want them to sing anything, So I say, yeah, man, the one that can work and thing, You are the one I love and thing, all right? Blessings here.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, all right? Enough love. Okay, next call. Hello, greetings.
Hello?
Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
Eh.
I want to tell girl about Shaka, how she love me, man. Jeez.
Love the little girl, so she love her big sister Tina, her dear one.
Well?
Yeah.
I love the people, man. Bad.
You love the people, man. Bad, don't? Jesus and peace.
Yes.
Why you love the people, man? I mean, why you tell me nothing because I know same give a good start out, so nobody tell me about that. But why you love the people?
That's not the reason why.
Yeah.
Because I love him so till him off and that's
What will you just say? After me never hear what you just say. Me never hear what you just say. I'll be here a while ago was. Me love him so till
My loving so till him just turn over and just married me. Jesus.
I'm married. Yeah. And seal up a thing now. Mad thing. Yes, see. Who are asking that? Karen Harris attack that? Huh?
Yes.
Someone can never whap you back. You can never whap you back when I ask her the same thing. Eh?
I tell her never.
Never.
Why?
But you say people man they love and them turn in a why bra 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 bra. Hey, that's one when them say plate cloth on this towel in a man. Yo, plate cloth on this towel, don't it? I think. Yeah, I used to clean up a big plate them. Them for no. Duh. Anyway, see the mate it on wifey. Yeah, so what on the note? So you know, think Karen Harris, she have anybody who she can say call in and say she have bigger them up because she love them and get any reason. You think she have anybody who she can?
You know, she don't want to call you and tell her say she don't want to tell her say her mother.
Well, no. When it comes to her mother, and her mother is a wonderful lady. Karen Harris's mother. Hold on, no. Listen to me. I don't want to careless talk when it comes to Karen Harris' mother. Me don't want to careless talk when it comes to Karen Harris' mother. Cause me we get Bringle. Hold on. As Donna from Pembroke would I say, if you say anything bad about Karen Harris' mother, I will get agoniering. Okay. Agoniering.
Karen, come tell her who you love.
No. What we are talking about who she love, is she even capable of loving?
No. Come to think of it, no.
What wrong with we? Why we are talking about who, we wonder who, as if she have the capacity to, you know?
To love
no,
anybody.
she not the capacity to love anybody and thing or whatever. Yeah. Not at all. We were mistaken there. All right, Tina, love and blessings and things. I'm big up your mummy pan her 70, you know, just celebrate her 70th birthday. Tell her so Raga Shanti, love her. Tell her Raga Shanti, love her. I'm big up on her Super 70 celebration. I'm love her on the fly down. I'm big up on the mother and thing, not the short of that and thing, all right? Enough blessings and thing.
Big up my little sister Shanice, my love you too.
Yo, you know, it's a current post bare finger upon the people on Facebook. She's so rude.
I tell them the finger them because you're gonna need them later to wine on. Listen to me.
Oh my God! Oh! Shots fired! Oh my God, that killed it! Quarantine say, stop put up a finger them pan Facebook because you're gonna need them later for wine pan. I can't bother with you know. I can't bother with you know. All right, Bobo, take care of yourself, see? So the thing said, all right, man. Yo, give me the call. Tell me who you love and why. We're going right there. So who you love and why. Give it a call.
Even in the darkest night, you are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Not a thing can change my mind. You are the one I love.
Good night, caller. What's up? Hello.
Nah, no close, Raga.
Wagwan, boo-boo. Wagwan. No, me interested for know who you love you now, you know, because the one that must have go sweet.
Yo, yes, I want to drop the bomb on you, but may I ask you a question? It have to be a lover or a family member?
It can be, listen to me, it can be a goat or a cow or a lizard. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
As long as you're in love with the entity and you have a reason why you love the entity, please share. Right?
Okay. Well, I love Ran Moshet and Raga Shanti.
Oh, God. Why?
Because Ran Moshet and Raga Shanti teach me to be myself.
Oh.
Yes, and not to play hypocrite.
Nice.
If your mother is wrong, you can't tell your mother that she's wrong.
With an appropriate dose of respect while doing so, yes.
Exactly.
Right.
And no matter how you Raga Shanti is loud, when it's joke time, it's joke time, and when it's serious time, it's serious time. And I love you for that.
Oh, thank you. And boy, you just give me a nice little gift in the season and thing. And I always appreciate people who get it, who understand me, and I'm very, very thankful for that, because Lord know you have all wicked them out there and thing, with them insecurities and thing like that.
Yeah.
And they're always on the attack. So I'm very, very thankful for feedback like that and thing. And I want to thank you on behalf of Ron Mushet. He's not here, but I want to thank you for appreciating those
Yeah,
qualities
man,
in
he's
Mr.
a
Mushet.
young man. Him always encourage people and him talk positive things. You understand me?
Nice.
I really love the two of you guys for that.
Blessings, man.
And you motivate me a lot.
Oh, you be careful now. You're gonna let me get all mushy in here tonight. Right? All right, man. Enough blessings here. Thanks for calling in and sharing that, okay?
All right, my love.
All right, man. Enough blessings and things. Cool.
Yeah.
People are making a prediction about the Shenseea. I'm making a prediction about the Shenseea. You are the one I love. I'm making a prediction that people are going to be appreciating this song for a long time to come. It's not like any deep intellectual type of thing. It's a pop song. It has a playfulness to it. Right? It's not like the lyrical substances. Well, it's not like extraordinarily substantive, no. But it has that pop playfulness that you can listen and y'all are clean pan a Saturday and it a bounce in the background down. And it's like how you just bust and all them thing there. You can send it to somebody who you care about down. You can send it to somebody who you love down. You can send it to somebody who you love. In fact, if you listen right, you know. And you know say you have somebody who you love. Send a song to them right now. You know what? Right, you know. Listen to me. We're going to make mischief, you know. Raga Shanti love mischief. Listen to me. If there is somebody out there who you're in love with, but them there with somebody else, and you know, say, you're in love with them, call in and tell about it. I know enough I'm not afraid, but some of them are still calling. Me say, if there is somebody out there who you love, and that person there with somebody else, call in and tell me about it, right? Call in and tell me about it, because you're not afraid for it. You don't afraid for profess your love, right? If you're in the United States or Canada, the number 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Me say, if there is somebody out there who you love, and you know, say you and that person that end up together by the hook or the crook, but right now they're there with somebody else, call in and tell me about it. All right, if you're called from Jamaica, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Call in and send on. Press, give me the call. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Greetings, my brother. I like your show.
Cool, man. Yeah. Yeah, so who you love and why?
Well, I love my wife, you know, because she is very hardworking. And, you know, she gave me a youth at 65, you know, and I love her for that. And she got my back, you know what I mean?
Wow. Okay, congratulations. You love your wife because she gave you a youth. At 65, when you're 65 years old, you get a youth. Okay, that is interesting. Yeah. Very nice. And if you don't mind me asking about how old is your wife?
My wife is 42 and I'm 72.
Oh, she's 42 and you're 72, but she gave you a youth when you were 65. Okay. That means that your youth is about 6 years old right now.
Yeah, my youth is 5.
The what?
My youth is 5 years
Oh,
old.
your youth a 5-year-old. Okay, all right then. Congratulations, man. I just want to say big respect to you and your wife and thing. And for manifesting that child right there, and you sound happy and you sound appreciative of her and your child and whatever.
Yeah, she's very happy, man. She keeping me young, you know.
And you don't want to say her name? You don't want to say her name? If you don't want to, that's fine. If you don't want to,
Yeah, her name is Tracy, man.
Tracy. Big up Tracy, you know. Big up good Tracy. Big up good Tracy. Big up yourself. Your husband love you. And him love your youth and thing. And two look at youth and thing. And Tracy, me want the two to take care of themselves. See him and just go and straighten up a thing. See him here. Brap. Them for no. Seal up. A thing set. All right, my general. Bless up yourself here. All right.
Big up yourself, Chaka.
Yeah, man. Protection.
Bless up.
Cool. Next call. Hello. Good night. What's up? Lost that one. Prezi, you see where Pretty Punchy posting at the clap on the wall on Facebook? Yeah, just where she post. Then man still a boss good juice at 65. You see how this little girl out there? You see how she out there? But then man still a boss them good juice there at 65. Oh. Pretty Punchy loud, man. Big up him man and him Tracy and them youth and thing. Them are going good. And the general call in and profess him love to him wife Tracy. Big up Tracy and the general and them youth. Big up the brother. Big up Tracy. Big up the youth. Good night caller. What's up?
Good night, Mr. Shanti.
Yeah. Mr. Never Rang. Where go on? Okay. Mr. Never Rang. Who you big up say you love and why?
He died now, my mother, and he died when he was 99.
Hold on. She.
Two of them.
Yeah.
The two of them died now.
Your
we in love with one another, you know, and we in love with one another, so he died.
She.
Well,
Mr. Never Rang. Mr. Never Rang. She. Says she died.
She.
Yeah. Your mother and who? Your mother and who?
My mother, my wife and me have.
Your wife, where you did have one thing, and they both passed on, unfortunately. And you big them up now. And why you big them up? Tell me something good what your mother do for you.
Because my mother, when they treat me good, direct me the right direction.
Nice.
Direct me in the right direction. That's me not find myself in a wrong crowd.
Right.
And me lady too in the wrong direction.
Nice.
And you will give me everything what me need.
What's that?
And you make me go.
What you say?
You give me everything you give me everything what me need, and me go work.
Right.
Both of us.
Right. And when you say give everything what you need, like what, sir?
Everything, money, clothes, everything. Give me.
Your wife. Okay.
Give me everything.
Good money.
And you give me a house too.
Well, and good money.
You give me a house too.
Oh yeah, you tell me. So your wife give her house and money and thing and
yeah.
So good money and look a fenke money. Good money and fenke money.
Good money.
Like proper right now. Proper money and thing, whatever. Okay.
Me can't live off. That me dead.
So your wife give you house and money and so but you know say you live some breed. You know say enough man can't say the same thing up here. Enough man can't say the same thing up here, you know.
Give me one house.
Yeah.
Give me one house and
give
me some money and tell me not work for the rest of my life.
You know, Jesus have mercy. Allah, you tell me, I never wrong. Allah, you tell. What you say? The money where you. The money where your wife give. The money where your wife give. You don't have to work for the rest of your life.
No, me not have to.
Jesus.
That check can bounce.
That check can.
That check can bounce.
Listen to me now, man. I see it. You see it. You know, say you have one man named Junior Levy, him don't like you, and think, and probably, listen, look how you have blessings. Look how you have blessings. And this man, Junior Levy, say, but why me I make you call and attack on the show so long? I say, leave him alone. Me and him start out on the wrong foot, but he's my friend right now. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. So why? And look now, you are live good life and thing. You have woman give you crazy money, give you house and all these things. I wonder, what you think? You think any woman give him anything? You think any woman give Junior Levy anything of substance?
In can get it, but in appreciate it, and in play fool and lose it.
Oh, what you say what?
In can get it.
Yeah.
Hold on. In can get it, but in play fool and lose it.
Junior Levy, no.
Yes, in can get it, but in play fool and lose it. That's the problem.
Okay, and you never play.
Even you too.
Hold on, Mr. Deverang. Hold on, Mr. Deverang. How you reach this, sir? How you reach this, sir? Oh, what you mean, even you two? Wait, hold on, Mr. Neverang. You know, say, hold on. Let me stop him music.
Jesus!
What you mean, even you two, Mr. Neverang? What you know about me?
I trouble, man. I don't see game. I don't see game.
No, man, me know say I carry a job problem. Me know I carry a job problem.
Listen, it makes sense of you enough man get gold spoon.
Yeah.
Woman for your police them, but them play fool and lose it.
Get good woman and lose them, don't it? Idiot man them there. Idiot man them there. Get good woman and lose.
Your mother never tell you say the man who defeat can't go and do it.
The man who do what?
Your mother never hear your mother and father tell you say the man who teach for eat cannot go and do it.
The man who teach for eat cannot
go and do it. I will tell you say foul. I born the play with Andagwanti. You never hear them stuff say?
No, I never hear them, but I like them and I know what they mean, you know. Foul a bone.
Yes, it's like.
Hold on. Foul a bone a play with and dog want it. And the man who teach for eat can and he no can. All right, let me give you an example of that one then. The man who teach to eat can and let me give you an example. You have some people out there say, Mr. Neverang, them always up in your business and I tell you what you must do in your relationship. And always I tell people who they must left. Who they must left and who are idiot in them relationship. And when you find out what going in a for them relationship, and I'm not pretty, you know. And I'm not pretty, nothing not going for them in a for them relationship, you know. But them ever up in a people business and I tell people who feel left and thing and all them something and whatever. That is an example of somebody who I tell about, oh, you fi eat can and thing when them not can and thing, don't it?
Yeah, but you see, as we tell you one more time,
you
have some men, you have men will uplift you, women will uplift you, but you play fool and lose it because you go and listen to hearsay. And when you listen to the hearsay, and you burn down your house and you sit and laugh for you, because of that thing want. And that thing want, woman will uplift you, and you feel join with her and make things work right.
See it there. See it there.
Ragashanti, two things enough to do when you live with a woman.
Yeah, two things enough.
No woman call your house.
When you live with that woman, no other woman call you. No other woman call you.
No woman call you.
All right, good. That's a number one. What is number two?
If you have phone, you turn off the phone when you go into the house. That's what you have to do.
Well,
woman will respect you, and you have woman will uplift you. But you not to play a fool.
No, Mr. Neverang, in them day and age, them woman are like that still, you know.
Yeah, but you see, you already know they don't like you, but you not make that happen to you.
No, when me say, Mr. Neverang, when me I tell you, nowadays woman are like when man turn off them phone round them, you know, them say, oh, you have something that I.
Yeah, but you see, I don't really want to turn off your phone round him, you know.
Right.
But you do not want no woman call your house.
Okay, all right.
You do not, because that will match up relationship. You can't have your daddy house and not make next man match up with you.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Okay. And what is the second thing? 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 What is the second thing you know if you do when you leave a house with a man?
I say, you know, you have to go there and do the right thing with the woman, and the woman do the right thing with you. It's so simple.
What is
it's
the
easy.
What you mean the right thing? I don't know what you mean.
You go in like you know woman love you.
Yeah.
When a woman can love you.
Right.
When you go down and buy things can't come give me at the house.
Yeah.
Gear.
When you can't come gear. Come gear.
Yes,
Yeah.
come gear, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised enough time. That's how woman get to love you and care for you.
Yeah.
And if you have your woman in your house, any woman, let me tell you something, any woman wash you clothes and keep you make you frozen. Let me tell you again. I know make you frozen, a good woman on you.
No, well, I'm never wrong. No, them women nowadays, them not really into that something there, you know.
No, but then I go do it because they don't care for you.
No,
They don't care for what you can give to them.
No, what I'm saying, them nowadays, woman and man, them will love you and wash for you, Mr. Combs. Them not in that something there.
No. Any woman, listen, any woman love you know what's in close to you. Not nobody fool you. Any woman love you know what's in close.
No, Mr. Never wrong. Listen what me I said to you, man. You teach me some things and you have to allow me to teach you some. Me I tell you, say you have woman nowadays will love you and now wash your clothes for you. Now wash your clothes for you.
Yes, listen, he don't love you.
That woman don't love you.
He don't love you. No. He don't love you because if he love you, he not gonna make you go and treat Frozy. He not going to do it.
Mr. Never wrong. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Pretty Punchy and Karen Harris. Those two women are two examples of women who say they can love a man, but they now wash and cook for the man. Pretty Punchy and Karen Harris said that.
But listen, so if you not cook for the man, who you meet?
He cook for himself? Then him not cook for himself?
Well, he don't love the man.
What, the woman I love the man?
He don't love the man.
Okay.
No. He don't love the man.
Let me ask you something. So basically, a foolishness is a Pretty Punchy and Karen Harris attack then. A foolishness them attack then. I lie them attack. Okay. Okay, two damn liars. A two damn liars them, don't it? A two damn liars them, don't it? Two liars them.
No. Yes. Because if you love the woman, why when you cook, you don't go cook for yourself in the house? Why you do that?
What you say? If me love the woman,
what? If you love the woman and you if you love the woman and you cook in the house, why you not give the woman eat?
No. Just see it, since you said that, me just have to make something clear. In my case, because me can't cook, it would be wise if me love the woman, me don't cook for her.
Said what?
No, I am saying, in my case, because I am not a good cook. The only thing me can cook, you know, a dumpling and little salt mackerel and them something there, you know, and steam little rice and thing. But so in my case, because me cannot cook, me can't cook oxtail and them bossy something there. Because me can't cook, it follows then that if I love the woman, it's best that I don't cook for her because she may end up in the ER.
No. You don't eat it. You can't cook.
Wait, you say what?
Yes.
What? What you say?
You don't eat the food you cook.
The woman?
You don't eat the food you cook.
Shall I eat it? You say, from me cook the food with love. Even though I can't cook, she still going to eat it, no?
Still going to eat it, yes. Still going to eat it.
Well, no, mister, that's the other thing you don't understand. Nowadays, them women are very careful what them put in their mouth. Yeah, them women are very...
me no say no. But if you love the woman love you, he don't cook for you. If he not cook for you, if he not cook for you, he go to buy, come in the house, make you eat it.
All right,
well... He go to buy Ragashanti.
All right, Mr. Combs. Mr. Combs. Mr. Never, I have a question for you. You have some woman up here in America, I say. They remember, say, me and you born and grew in Jamaica, you know, right? So remember, say, we know when you say food cook, we know what cook food is, right? Now, you have some woman up here in America, I see. They will claim say they cook for you. And then act like you owe them the world. Because them claim, I cook for you. And you know what them I refer to? Them boys spaghetti and throw one sitting in here ragu or prego upon it and then claim say then cook for you. Now you tell me, Mr. Never Wrong. Is that cooking for you? When a woman go boil, she go boil spaghetti and go throw tomato sauce upon it and prego and ragu upon it and I tell you about then cook for you and things like that. Tell me something now. Is that cooking for you?
Yeah, but you eat the food and you cook it?
Well, this one time me did wallop sit down one time for true though.
Did you eat the food and cook it?
No, one time me say me slap it with a preckish did I lick me for true, so me slap it with still.
No. Me ask you the question. Did you eat the food while you cook?
Then no, actually you don't understand the street talk. When me say me slap it with, that means I did eat the food.
Yes, that means in cook. That means in cook.
No, Mr. Never. No. That is not cooking. That is not cooking. Me grew up and me see what cooking is. Me know what me can't cook. Me can't cook, But me know what cooking is. I am a Jamaican man. And when people say them cook, we know what. Listen to me. People excuse a phrase I go and use them. We have a phrase in Jamaica where you say, we bitch up something. You know that because you come from country too. Bitch up something. You know that, right?
Yes.
Bitch up something is different from cooking. We are very clear about that. Bitch up something different from cooking. You can't come boil spaghetti and then chew prego and ragu upon it and go tell me about you cook for me. Cook for me cloth. You never cook for me nothing. That is not cooking.
Raga.
What?
You eat it. You eat it, right? Don't you eat it? Yes or no?
Well, Mr. Never, I'm not quite sure what you asked me now,
Me ask you the question. What you
Hold on, Mr. Never Wrong. Mr. Never Wrong, I'm not quite sure what you asked me a while ago, You asked me about Raga Shanti, you eat it. You eat it, yes or no? You eat it. I'm not quite sure what you ask me, Mr. Never Wrong. So I'm not run up in a nothing. No, you can't psych me out, Mr. Never Wrong. You can't psych me out. No, Mr. Never Wrong. No, you sound like you're screeching up on me a while ago, like you want accuse me or something. You sound like you're screeching up on me a while ago, like
No,
a while ago you neatly check.
Call me tonight.
Hold on. A while ago, you have your number.
Me want to talk to you.
No, man, I'm going to call. No, for real, I'm going to call you and reason with you. But when I say, a while ago, like, say, you screech, you say, yo, Raga, you eat it. Come on, man, tell me the truth. You eat it. And me never quite sure what you asked me a while ago, Mr. Never. You, Mr. Never, Raga, laugh.
For you. No, that's not for you. When a woman love you, when no one care for you, then do anything for you.
Then do anything for you.
Trust me. Yes, when they care for you, then do anything.
Well, Mr. Never Wrong. No, you know that. I'm going to be honest now. You know, say, you have woman, them know we cook for you and thing, but me I tell you this, me I keep it real with you. But you have woman, we all get a good sort out, and then we just get up and start look upon you different. And you okay? You need anything, you want me to go and cook something for you and thing and whatever after you give them a good fix up, So, yeah, me know, so you have woman who cook for you after, you give them a good sort out, That way happen and thing.
And even you give them a good sort out, if they care for you, they will do the same way too, Raga. I said, no, me go through. Me not talk for me, no. I said, no harm to me. When they give them good sort out as I can to you, then if they care for you, they're not going to do it anyhow. They're not going to do it anyhow. Then I guess they're not going to do it. If you really care for go to him and buy things come give you and put on come give you. You're surprised. My lady tell me when died, he tell me plain. He not buy me no shoes, but he buy me anything I want.
Wait, so she not buy.
What me walk out left it.
No,
he told me that.
Hold on, Mr. Never. Mr. Never Wrong. Me can't believe say your wife. Because for everybody listening, I don't know. Jamaica, like any other country, we have a lot of traditional beliefs, right? Some of them are more popular, more known than others. One happened to be that the saying goes that woman must not buy shoes to man, because if a woman and a man there and she go buy shoes to the man will walk out of the relationship. And before you ask, the saying doesn't go through the other way. There is no Jamaican belief that's a man not to buy shoes to woman because the woman are going to walk out. For whatever reason, that part of the belief don't exist. But the part that exists is that woman must buy shoes to man because if she buy the shoes to the man going to walk out of the relationship. So what Mr. Never Wrong is saying right here is that his wife, who he loved dearly, and him same wife, they love him dearly. She said she would do anything for him except buy shoes to him because she believed that if she buy shoes to him, he will walk out. So Mr. Never Wrong, why your wife believe in something like that? Why she believed in something like that?
Well, Mr. Raga, I don't want him tell me that, but he tell me that, and he never do it to do. He never buy no shoes give me.
She never
and he tell me plain, and he tell me plain, me not buy no gift to him neither.
Oh, she don't want
you.
Okay.
He told me right in front of me face, say,
okay.
You never, me no want you buy me no shoes.
Yeah.
And me not buy none give you.
Okay.
But me buy you anything we want.
Okay, interesting.
So when a woman come tell you something straight, and I say, I something in believing, but he does not want you do it to him. But he will do anything.
Okay.
Me talk of experience, I mean, no.
Okay.
That's what I know.
Okay.
And your woman will take good care of you if you treat him right.
Yeah.
And woman, when you treat you with respect, he love you more for the better and care for you more for the better.
See.
He's not going to make nothing to you. As long as you have him power, he's not going to make nothing to you, me say.
See.
Nothing going to make nothing to you.
Okay.
You go think, and when God take the bread for you, that's the only way in kind of feel. But the eyes on that, he ain't going to take good care of you.
All right, then, Mr. Never Wrong. Big up yourself here. I'm going to go and juggle, but as usual, thank you for your input. I'm going to shout you, man. I have your number, man, so I'm going to give you a link of a reason. Yeah. All right?
All right.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect, man. Honor. The thing set and thing. All right. Yo, people are juggling up with the thing of Raga Shanti Live. I don't know the thing set. I'm just want to remind you, go over my Mix Up Entertainment channel on YouTube and subscribe to it. Raga Shanti TV is a bag of Mix Up Entertainment. It's a bag of Mix Up Entertainment. If you don't like Mix Up Entertainment, don't go over there. Because you're not going to like it. And you're going to end up a chat foolishness. And I said this and that and whatever. And we won't care. Okay? But if you like Mix Up Entertainment, you like to laugh and all them something there. If you like to revel in the organic, natural, indigenous Jamaican culture with its hilarious elements, for stress relief and entertainment, go over Raga Shanti TV and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscription button over there. It's free. And then if you like the educational entertainment stuff too, go over Culture Raga on YouTube, see me over YouTube, and subscribe to that channel too. Just subscribe to both of them. Culture Raga over YouTube and Raga Shanti TV. Culture Raga and Raga Shanti TV. Culture Raga, CULTURERAGA over YouTube. Subscribe to that channel and also subscribe to Raga Shanti TV. Gonna take a little break, people. We'll be right back.
Raga Shanti Live. Raga Shanti Live. Raga Shanti Live.
Up and out of juggling, up and out of juggling, up and out of juggling as we saunter down to our closing right here. And of course, say on Friday nights, we start at 9 o'clock as usual, but on Friday nights we go until 12 midnight, while on Wednesday and Monday I go until 11 o'clock. And we start at 9 o'clock as usual and thing. And remember that on Monday and Wednesday, it's all about the Bridge 99 FM. That is when Raga Shanti Live is on and thing, but not on Ira Jam on Monday and Wednesday. But you could always watch the show on the Ira Jam app. Any one of the show, them Raga Shanti Live on the Ira Jam app, the Ira Jam Radio app, Ira Jam Radio app, and of course on the Bridge99fm.com, the Bridge99fm.com. Yeah. Well, hey, you just call him about anything you want to call him about the last half and thing. But again, I say, right, if you're in love with somebody, consistent with the theme of this brand new Shenseea song that I happen to like, and I think it's going to be quite the club banger and thing. That one you're going to go and good out there and thing. And I don't know if people are going to dance to that thing and whatever. I mean, enough people are saying that song all about already. And I profess them love to the person of their dreams and the person of, that is their proven soulmate. We know enough people are saying out that song already. It is simply titled, You're the One I Love. Direct, to the point, unequivocal, unambiguous, and very clear and precise. You are the one I love. So enough people are sending out that song and thing and whatever, and we just ask you for call in and just tell with somebody who you love and why. And of course, I'm also asking if you love somebody, but that somebody that belongs to somebody else, right? That somebody there with somebody else. And you know, say you love that person there and whatever. You can call in and share it too. All right? I make we hear what I go on. Right? If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States of America or Canada, the number that you'd call is toll-free. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742.
I give you peace of mind. My heart is always on your side. Our connection is rare to find. That's why I'm not gonna let you go. I feel that I'm so blessed to be yours. I'm yours. Right there when you need it, I mean it. There's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me love you like how Shorty love Addy. You put a spell on me, I must be hurry. And anyway you let me, I go compare. Baby, your good love lock me down like study. Sweet like honey, and me home, and me high, but no other man to me. And you want me bonafide. Me feelings them high, and it no hide. And a Bonnie and Clyde, it's a Chucky and the bride. There's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing
People will remember that tomorrow on Raga Shanti TV is all about a thing called Free Up. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show tomorrow 8 o'clock on Raga Shanti TV over YouTube. Tomorrow 8 o'clock, Free Up. 8 p.m. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with yours truly, Raga Shanti, over there on YouTube. Raga Shanti TV. Raga Shanti TV on YouTube. Just come in, come enjoy on yourself. We're there for entertain, you know, and make you feel nice and thing and learn and laugh and something. You don't know. Crazy, come in.
You put a spell on me, I must be hurry. And anyway you let me, I go compare. Baby, your good love lock me down like study. Sweet like honey, and me home, and me high, but no other man to me. And you want me bonafide. Me feelings them high, and it no hide. And a Bonnie and Clyde, it's a Chucky and
Yeah.
there's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night.
Good night, caller. Good night, caller.
Good night, Raga Shanti.
Greetings. Where go on?
Oh, I'm calling about, I was listening to one of your videos, and it was talking about, the lady was talking about finding the woman's stuff in the bed, in her man bed.
Okay, go on.
And you was letting her know that, you was letting her know that the woman left that she left it deliberately in the bed for her to find it. I don't know if you remember that.
Yes, I remember that call. Yeah, I remember that call. I was trying to let her know that a lot of women do those things indeed, yeah?
Yes, I was one of that woman that did that thing. So I'm like,
no, because, you know, sometimes I share these things with people and they, you know, they're like, So, you know what, explain. All right, then. So, explain what you used to do then. Explain it to me.
Well, when she left, I would go to his house, and one day I decided to let my earring under his pillow.
Right.
So I know she would definitely find it under the pillow, 'cause we women love to search.
Ah. So you left
Yeah.
an herring
And
under his pillow.
Yeah,
Right.
deliberately, 'cause I wanted her to find it.
You didn't
And
want her to find
Where, yes, I want her to find it.
Yeah.
So when he told me about it, I was like, oh, I forgot all about it. And he was like, you left it deliberately. I'm like, no, remember. It was in the moment. I didn't remember I left it deliberately. I wanted her to find it.
Okay, and then and of course it was them time then when you do that. So what was the goal here? What was the end game here? What did you want to happen when she found?
Well, we're together for 18 years. I'm married now.
Oh my God! Oh, No. Hold on. This is serious. Am I to assume that you were successful in
Yeah. I saw what I wanted and I took it.
Wow. And you saw what you wanted and you took it, and the way you took it was, for just kind of mash up with him, did you know?
Yeah. Exactly.
You see, there's a couple of schools of thought on this thing, right? On one side, you have people who say, listen, don't be fooled with all this romantic crap. Love is warfare, like in life. It's like, if you're a deer in the jungle and lay yourself careless, lion not gonna yam you. That's just a reality of life.
Oh, yeah.
So don't be a deer, be a lion, right? Type of thing. And and along those lines, they say, listen, success always favors the one who go out there and just go and get what they want. Irrespective of whatever the morality, whatever moral condemnation people may attach to the methodology used to secure that which you require. So that is one school of thought. There's another school of thought who just say, no, as a human being, we owe it to ourselves to function in a manner that is very, very different from other species out there, right? And part of that is to respect the union of others and don't do things like that, and whatever.
But folks are acting out. This been happening from creation. Women did that.
Okay.
So this is not new.
Oh, it's not new. So you have no apologies and think that you knew that this man was for you and you went out and got it. No apologies whatsoever.
No.
And been
no apologies.
And you've been married for 18 years now and thing like, oh my God. This is interesting. Because, remember she had talked to me because, and people, she's referring to content that I have over there on Ragashanti TV, again. And a caller had called in and, she was referring to these type of things. And I was trying to let her know that there were women who do this. Women explain these things to me.
Yeah.
And that, women teach me these things, that this has gone on a long time. That women know to leave, particularly women say they leave here because other women see here. Men don't see here. But she said other women see here. She said they leave herring. And when I said where, she said like under the
pillow.
Under the pillow, under the sofa. She told me about under the sofa. She said in the bathroom. In the bathroom, in like the medicine thing. And I said, why those places? She said, those are the places that the next woman going to find it. Men not going to find it. That's a man not look and thing. But woman not going to find it. This one thing. It's just fascinating. So you basically just said, I forget her out of the thing. I'm a one man there. I'm a future husband there. So you don't feel sad for her. You don't feel sad and bad for her.
No.
No.
It wasn't to be. No.
What do you mean it wasn't to be? You helped.
If it was to be, they'd be together.
What you say? If they were to be together, they would have survived even what you did, right? That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Fascinating. Oh my God. So there are other women listening to you right now and cuss out your clock, don't you?
I really don't care.
You don't care?
I'm happy.
You're happy with your husband?
That's all that matters.
You got your husband of 18 years. You still have him right now. You happy and them probably not happy, don't, because them never did go after where them want.
No, I went after what I want and I got it.
Yo, what a way to end the show. No, you seal up a thing right there. I mash up them in, No, you give me a topic for continue tomorrow night and free up now, No, you give me a topic to continue tomorrow night on Free Up now. 8 o'clock tomorrow night on Free Up, Ragga Shanti TV. Because a lot of people are torn with this. And there are other women who do it and would never admit it. You know, so if a woman and listen to you right now and know so them do things to mash up relationship and things, forget the mother, whatever, and thing, and I say, I'm going to say it, but me they do something like that too. You know that, right?
They ain't saying it, but it's just the truth.
Fascinating. All right, then bless up yourself. Thank you for sharing here.
Okay, bye.
All right. There you have it, people. I mean, she call in and make you know. Very often I'm telling you all these things and whatever I'm telling her, say, I'm not a genius or anything. Most of these things, I learned them from women. I just ask the right questions. I humble myself. I make myself open to learning. And I let people who are experts in certain things impart their knowledge to me and things. So there you have it, a woman calling and make you know, say, and this is something that most women who do it will not admit to them do it. All right? So we'll continue this tomorrow on Free Up, right? 8 o'clock, Ragga Shanti TV on YouTube, right? The realest Jamaican talk show. This is going to be a good discussion. Lord have mercy. No, sir. She not easy. She not easy. People take care of themselves. Sooner tomorrow upon Free Up, sin. Sooner tomorrow upon Free Up, 8 o'clock, Ragga Shanti TV and things, sin. Blessings, I had fun tonight. It was awesome. All time farmers, big up yourself. Carol go breed and go work in London right here now. Sometimes I'm sorry for you, put us. Lord Jesus. Blessings, people. Why you?